Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mahlodi Banda and I am a consistently profitable forex trader. I know I've been away for a while, but honey, I'm just like the Arabs. The more successful we get, the more in hiding we go. So like that's my story, that's how I'm going to justify it. But yeah, so I started this vlog like on Saturday, but I just didn't like the footage. Okay, Sunday I did a few things. That was like the little thingy that you guys saw. Today I was in a trade. Okay, take profit hit. Actually, I exited way earlier than I was supposed to, guys. It's a 15-minute chart. Let's start that. You can already see I'm trading the dollar, the pound versus the dollar. Cool. So basically market kept on closing on top of this area here, on top of this white area here, and then so now I was waiting for market to close on top of this area here, but then I couldn't enter until market came to retest this area here in a form of a wick or something, right? So watch what happens. Literally, this is where I entered. This is where I entered, guys. Here I was like, okay, let's wait to see which candlestick gets printed next. And then this is what happened. Immediately after this candlestick closed, that's when I decided, you know what, fuck it, I'm entering. I'm lying, I actually entered during this candlestick here, this one that I'm gonna highlight. So basically that's what happened, guys. So what could happen from now is that market could cross this area, come up to here, retest. This is like something that could happen for New York session, come back down. I will be anticipating that. Or another thing that could happen, so now since market broke that area, this is like my neckline, right? Market could come up to somewhere, somewhere could be here, okay, and then retrace here, retest or retrace, and then go up, break some more, coming to the previous highs, order block, which will be more visible on the 1 hour. Yeah, here, perfect area here. So basically that's just how I read the chart. I've modified it in such a way that it's easy for me. That's always my trading plan. And then I journaled, but I didn't show you guys that part because like the camera was already off. So yeah, like right now it's like I think it's about 1 a.m. or like no, not a.m. p.m. or it's past 1 p.m. I'm just gonna go out for like air, like I've been in the house for so long. Like I'm a very depressed person, right? I get depressed very easily, and part of the reason why I get depressed, guys, is because I can sit in the house for 2 months like without going anywhere. Like that's just me. So but I want to change that. I'm changing that. Thank you. Hello everybody. So I'm back from the mall. So right now I just want to give you guys a trade recap. So let's jump into that. Pound versus the dollar. So this was the position that I was trading. As you can see, market hit my take profit area and then it went beyond my take profit area. But I closed early. If you guys really remember, I closed when the market was here because Market went, approached my take profit area, and then it retraced back. And I just started getting anxious, but and then this is how the market played out. Next candlestick hit take profit, and when market hit take profit, we were all watching, right? And then market did the typical, well, I also anticipated this being one of the things that would be happening. Market coming up, breaking an area of resistance, coming down to retrace it, and then going back up. So I didn't take that because I was out, right? I was at the mall, and then I was out and I was at the mall, and I hadn't really prepared for that trade, right? It was just one of the things that I had anticipated the market doing, but not this early. But and then the market just carried on going. It went beyond my take profit area, guys. Beyond. Um so this is where the market is. Okay. This is where the market is right now. Um Hello everybody. So today is the next day. And I'm back from the mall. So I am ending the vlog here because like this vlog was like so much trading. But that's what I've been doing like a lot lately. I've just been trading, refining my skill. And before I end the vlog, I do want to say that there is somebody out there who's using my brand, Mahlodi Panda, to scam people. Guys, I will never DM you guys asking you guys for money. Like literally there's no real forex trader that will DM you and ask you for money, okay? So all of my social media accounts, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, it's all Mahlodi Panda, as well as on here on YouTube. My username, it's at Mahlodi Panda, all one word. There's no underscore, there is no dot in between. So guys, I cannot protect you guys from these scammers, okay? It is your responsibility to make sure that you protect yourself from scammers. Be careful. I cannot protect you guys from those. The best that I and the community can do is to report and block the account. So that's what you should do, guys. Just report the account and block it. Also, one other thing that gives it away is check when the pictures were posted. Okay. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. I am going to be starting a new vlog tomorrow on Wednesday. I'm really excited for tomorrow's trading day because it will be a midweek reversal. So I'm eager to see what's going to happen. So yeah guys, today was a very good trading day for me. As you guys saw, I've had the past 2 days have been really good. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok because I'm new in those TikTok streets. So follow me on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Bye.